Hello friends and family, welcome back again to my channel. I'm Gertrude. If you are new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. In today's recipe, I share with you how I make my peppered gizzard. This is so delicious and simple to make. I hope you give this a try. So let's get started. In my pot, I'm going to add my washed gizzard. I will also add my blended garlic and ginger, adobo, chicken seasoning, salt, seasoning cube, rosemary, and chicken spice. I will mix everything together, add half cup of water before putting it on the fire. After 10 minutes, I will give it a quick stir, cover it and let it boil until the gizzard meat is tender. In my blender, I have some habanero pepper, some green bell pepper, onion, garlic, ginger, and I've also added some fennel seed. I'm going to use half cup of oil and I'm going to use the oil to blend the vegetables. At this point, the gizzard is cooked very well to a perfection, and since it has much water, I'll just take it from the water, and also I'm not going to get rid of the water. I will use it for my stew later, and this part is the most tempting part of all. If you don't take care, you are going to chew all the gizzard, and since you don't want that to happen, I'm now going to shallow fry my gizzard. I just want it a little brown and soft as well. So guys, the gizzard has been frying for some time now, and this is how I want it. This color is so perfect and I just love it. And I'm going to take it from the oil and I'll let this rest on the paper towel so that the oil can drain from it. So in my pot, I added the blended vegetable, give it a quick stir, and I will let it simmer for some time. And I also added some salt, seasoning cube just to give it taste. I will mix everything together and let it simmer for 10 minutes before adding my gizzard. So guys, the pepper sauce is ready and I added my fried gizzard. I will give this a quick stir and let the gizzard absorb the sauce very well before adding my vegetables. So guys, I finished my peppered gizzard with some vegetables, carrots, green bell pepper, red onions and spring onions. You can also use any vegetables of your choice. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, you are welcome, and please don't hesitate to click on the subscribe button. To my returning subscribers, I said thank you. You guys have been my backbone and I won't have been here without your support. This gizzard recipe is so delicious and I hope you give this a try. You will love it when you make this for your family or for any occasions too. I also didn't overcook my veggies because I still want it to be crunchy. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share this video among your friends. Till then, see you in my next video.